All right, so here's another HTML and CSS tutorial series, and this is on Freecodecamp. If you want to join Freecodecamp, you can just come to Google and type Freecodecamp. As you can see, press enter and click on this. It's going to take you to the page, and then you can select the responsive web design. This one, when you visit this place, you scroll down, you find it there. So today we're going to be doing hmm, so we're going to continue from where we stopped. If you want to follow through how far we've come, you will have to check the previous videos. So here we are dealing with an unordered list. So we want to write we are building a cat photo app. We want to write the list of things that a cat would like in an unordered list. So we start with writing the UL, open the tag, close tags, and then within the UL, next three items to display. So we're going to write catnip, li, catnip, yes. And this is where we take our tutorials. On the left, the middle is where we write our HTML, and on the right is where we see our outputs. Like as you can see here, catnip. And laser pointers. I didn't know cats like laser pointers. Well, okay. Okay, I know they like lasagna. So, in case you're not watching, if you want to know how to write tags, you open it like this. You write the tag, close it. This is the opening tag. This is lasagna. Okay, and then you close it like this. So these are some of the things that cats like. Let's see if we wrote it correctly. And okay, we're checking the code now. Don't know why it's taking time. Oh, yeah, it's correct. So we move to the next one. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Okay, so the next one is going to be what's the instruction? Sorry, I have to move this down. After the unordered list, add a new image with an SRC attribute value. Set it to this. Okay. Uh, so here we're gonna have something like this here, an img, and the source is going to be this. Um, a picture of lasagna. I see. Okay. I have to change this my keyboard to US. Okay. And now I'm gonna paste this here. I'm gonna set the alt attributes to this. I'm gonna paste this here as well. Now I'm gonna just close it. This is self-closing. And let's see if the image is displayed. Yeah, this is a picture of lasagna. It displays. So how you display an image is you declare the image tag like this. You write the source of the image, which in this case is this link. If you copy this link and paste it here, it's going to open the image. So you see? So we are referencing this link from here. So we consider it the source. In some cases, you would download the image and write the link from your local computer, here. And then this is an alternative text. Now, this text is just in case this image fails. This is what we show to make the user know that there was meant to be a picture of lasagna showing here. It's just that it failed. I'm not gonna make this too long. I just want it to be 5 minutes max. So you can like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, play around, and I'll see you in the next video. It worked, as you can see.